Wow. Take a look of these meatballs. Outstanding. Nicely soft. Wow. Oh my god. Are you ready? Are you ready? That's what you need. Half a kilos of 500 grams of meat, beef, 80 grams of Parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons of parsley, 150 grams of bread, 50 milligrams of milk, 1 egg, and garlic, chopped. And let's mix everything up. These are the original meatballs that my grandmother used to make when I was a very little kid. Guys, I never forget the moments when we were all together, sit on the table. Wow. And my grandfather used to whistle to everybody that we were playing around. That was crazy. All the cousins, brothers, we used to play around, and then I remember my grandfather used to whistle. È pronto a tavola! È pronto a tavola! And then we were going there, all running to eat this amazing food that I'm showing to you. Let's go ahead, let's make these balls. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the original meatballs, fry, and how to make it in my way in the oven. So make sure you pay attention to the video, because this is very easy and simple recipe to make, but it makes an outstanding product. Yes, at the end I'm going to make the famous puccia with meatballs, mozzarella and rapini. So wait until the end, because it's going to be a very happy end with meatballs sandwich or meatballs puccia. Yes, let's make it. Of course, I didn't say oven preheat already at 380 Fahrenheit, and the oil preheat also needs to be hot, not hot, but hot, medium low temperature. Let's go ahead and let's start to make the one for the oven, because it takes more time. So when you get a meatballs, you just grab how much you want to make it bigger, and then you go ahead and just do this. Just make the ball. And this is the regular side, the original meatballs. Voila, take a look. Now let's go ahead and let's place it like that. Try to make it all the same. You don't have to make it the same, but let's go and let's make the same. Okay, I was making the meatballs, and in the meantime, you know, I thought something. Why not making some with a piece of cheese in between, in the middle of the meatballs. So go ahead, and we're gonna close it just like that, and we have a meatballs filled up with mozzarella. Amazing. This way we're gonna make it. I'm gonna make it in the oven. Outstanding. Okay, so now let's get the one to fry. Those, put it together. One attached to the other one. Let's remember that those two are the one with cheese. They're a little bit bigger compared to the others. So let's go ahead and let's put this in the oven at 380 Fahrenheit. There we go. Now let's check the oil. Guys, this is how I check the oil. Just break a little piece of meat. Now I'm gonna dump it in and see. If it starts to bubble, the oil is ready for our meatballs. Let's see. See, it starts to bubble. So that means that the oil is nice and hot at good temperature. If it bubbles too much, too fast, it goes up really quick. The oil is too hot, so you need to cool down a little bit. Just like that. Dump it in, voila. Let's put it all, voila. This with a spoon, dump a little bit of olive oil on top of the meatballs. Couple of minutes pass by, now let's go ahead and let's turn it the opposite. Our meatballs are ready because they are a little bit brown, like this color, and then when we touch it they are a little bit harder than before. They're not mushy, so the meatballs is ready. Let's squeeze it a little bit and then we place it in the towel paper. Squeeze a little bit. Now guys, also the one in the oven, you need to turn it. This usually in the oven takes about 20 minutes. Of course, I gotta have some dough, amazing dough. This I made a video just now, how to make dough with mother yeast. So this is it. Well, take a look, go check out my other videos. So this one we're gonna make the panino, the puccia, the famous puccia. So we're gonna go ahead and take it. In the meantime that our meatballs are cooking in the oven, we are ready to go ahead and put this one. Just make sure how to do it. Look at this. The ball, this is a little bit smaller than usual. I don't touch it at all. So gently, let's go ahead and let's put it on the counter. We get the peel and we go ahead and put it in the oven. Don't touch it at all. Let's put it in the oven together with the meat. This way, when the meatballs are ready, our sandwich is ready, and oh my god, nicely done and ready. Fantastic. You can see the one in the mozzarella. Wow, outstanding. Take a look at these meatballs. Wow, take a look of these meatballs. Outstanding, nicely soft. Wow. And now to complete this video, let's wait our panino in the oven and then we're gonna go ahead and taste those meatballs. Those meatballs. Wow. How easy was 1 to 10? I want to know from you. Comment below. I want to know 1 to 10. How easy was to make those meatballs? Let's make some space. The panino is ready. Let's take off some flour from the top. Then I'm gonna show it to you. Wow, that's really hot. Look how it come out. Now I can't wait to... It's empty, guys. Can't wait to open up, put some meatballs, put some cheese. I'll show you. I mean, take a look of those meatballs. Take a look of these meatballs. Nice and smoky. Wow. Let's break a couple of meatballs. Let's put some fresh mozzarella just on top of the meatballs. Now this one, let's press it a little bit. Let's put some friarelli from Naples. Wow. We are ready to go in the oven just like that. When the mozzarella will melt, our panino is ready. Guys, it's time to taste those meatballs. Let's taste the fried one. Well, of course, I grew up with these meatballs from my grandmother. It just remind me all the time of my family when we ever sit on the table every Sundays to eat. Always the meatballs, my friend. Meatballs, wine, always on the table. This is nice one. You have to see this. Soft. So tasty. I can't wait to taste the sandwich. Wow. Almost ready. Guys, I'm so excited. It's ready. I'm so excited to show you. Woo-hoo-hoo. Wow. Wow. Take a look of this panozzo. Now let's go ahead and let's close it. Bam. Our panino is nicely. Wow. I have to go ahead and cut this. I have to cut this baby. Wow. Oh my God. Are you ready? Are you ready? Wow. I mean, guys, this is no word. This is no word what you can make home. It's no word. Here, the word stops. Here the word stops. Let's go ahead. Aspetta, papi, aspetta. Outstanding! I taste everything. The meatballs, the oil, the bread, the yeast. That was made the bread. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry now. Mwah. Wow, I don't know. I don't have any more words. You judge.